Welcome to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the Hyatt Regency Tamaya Resort and Spa, a serene luxury getaway nestled on the sacred lands of the Santa Ana Pueblo, just outside Albuquerque, New Mexico. Surrounded by the stunning Sandia Mountains and the Rio Grande River, this resort blends Southwestern charm, rich Native American culture, and five-star comfort into one unforgettable experience. Upon arrival, we were greeted by authentic Pueblo architecture, warm adobe tones, rustic wooden beams, and desert landscaping that perfectly complemented the natural surroundings. Self-parking is complimentary, which is always nice, while valet parking is available for a $20 fee if you prefer the added convenience. Inside, the lobby welcomes guests with handcrafted native art, cozy seating areas, and large windows framing breathtaking views of the Sandia Mountains. The decor celebrates the heritage of the Tamaya people, creating a peaceful and culturally rich atmosphere. The check-in desk was not busy at all when we arrived on this Friday morning, which made for a quick and easy process with a friendly staff. As we headed toward the elevator, we passed by the small business center tucked off to the side, featuring a single computer and printer, perfect if you need to quickly print documents or check emails during your stay. Now let's make our way to our room on the second floor, which is one level below the lobby. Room rates typically run around $450 per night on the weekends, depending on the season and availability. Let's check out room 2151 here at the Hyatt Regency Tamaya. This is a 2-queen room with a mountain view. So as soon as you walk in, you have this open closet with some hangers, your standard iron and ironing board. There's a luggage rack and some storage drawer below. And right beside it is where you have your coffee and tea area. There's the safe, a couple storage drawers, and a small fridge with a couple waters. And look at this piece of art right here. So they have a bunch of Native American art in this room, which is pretty cool. So let's see what's in this door. Check out this full body mirror. And the bathroom is in here. Here's the shower with your products. So they use the spa products here, Tamaya Mist, and this backlit mirror with a single sink. And over here they have your vanity kit with all your fun stuff. The vanity kit is in there, makeup remover, Q-tips. And they have the lotion and a bar of soap right there, towels below, and there's your standard toilet, and the hairdryer is up here. So it's like a normal bathroom. Now let's check out the rest of the room. Here's a quick look. So these are the 2 queen beds. And it's kind of weird how they set up the pillows here. They set them up that way. I've never seen that at any hotel I've ever stayed at. And they have a bunch of plugs here, so you don't have to worry about charging your devices. They have plugs here. It has USB-C, USB-A, and your standard outlets. Same in the middle part. And on the other side, it has a bunch of plugs too. So you don't have to worry about finding plugs while you're laying in bed. And here's a big screen TV. This looks like 65 or 70 inch. It's pretty big. Small office area. If you need to do any work, you can get it done right here. And more plugs right there. So there's no shortage of plugs in this hotel room. Here's the resort information. And they say keep your patio doors closed so the bugs don't come in. And there's a small chair right here. And let's check out our view. So there's a table here with 2 chairs. And check out the beautiful scenery here in Tamaya. It's fall right now, so you can see the changing leaves, which is really nice. So what do you guys think about this room? Let me know in the comment section. But looks pretty nice to me. Now it's time to check out the various dining options, and we'll start with Santa Ana Café, which serves Southwestern-inspired cuisine made with local ingredients. This is where we had breakfast daily during our stay. Guests can choose between a $30 buffet or a la carte options priced between $15 and $20. We decided to go with a buffet for its wide selection of dishes. I especially enjoyed the beef eggs benedict and the savory brisket potatoes. The buffet also included your typical continental options like eggs, sausage, bacon, cold cuts, a variety of cheeses, fresh fruit, bread, and a selection of juices. Breakfast here was good, and it's worth checking out during your stay. For casual dining, you can stop by the Rio Grande Lounge, which serves a mix of Mexican and American comfort food, along with a variety of cocktails and spirits. It's a great spot to unwind after a day of exploring or just relax with a drink in hand. We stopped by in the afternoon and ordered brisket tacos, chicken wings, brisket nachos, and the green chili crab fundido, along with a couple of margaritas. The food was okay, and it definitely hits the spot if you're looking for something casual. For upscale dining, the resort's Corn Maiden offers an authentic Southwestern experience set amidst the beautiful scenery of the Santa Ana Pueblo. The atmosphere here is cozy and elegant, with warm lighting, wood accents, and a menu that features fresh locally sourced ingredients, mainly grown right on site. Entrees here ranged from $30 to $80, so I was definitely expecting some outstanding dishes. While the salad and lobster pasta were both good and served in generous portions, the rest of our meals didn't quite justify the price. The roasted chicken came with just 2 small pieces, and the buffalo tenderloin was so tiny, it honestly looked like a kid's meal. Overall, for the price point, it wasn't worth it. If you're looking for a great dinner option during your stay, stick with the Santa Ana Café. The food there was much better and offered far more value for the money. If you're in a hurry and don't have time for a sit-down breakfast, you can stop by the Trading Post, the resort's general store. They serve freshly brewed Starbucks coffee along with delicious breakfast burritos, pastries, and quick grab-and-go options, perfect for starting your day on the go before heading out to explore the property. In addition to food and drinks, the Trading Post also offers a great selection of souvenirs, resort logo wear, and other essentials you might need. For Native American art, stop by Galleria Tamaya, where you can browse through fine jewelry, pottery, textiles, and other handcrafted items created by local artisans. Hyatt Regency Tamaya features 3 beautiful outdoor pools, each offering something a little different depending on what kind of vibe you're looking for. The Plaza Pool is perfect for families, with plenty of lounge chairs and stunning views of the Sandia Mountains in the background. There's also a fun water slide that kids will love, making it a great spot for families to spend the afternoon. Poolside food and drinks are provided by Plaza Grill, which was closed for the season during our stay. Meanwhile, the Oxbow Pool is located at the far end of the complex. It's a more secluded area, which makes it a bit quieter than the main pool. If you're looking for something even more peaceful, there's a separate adults-only Kiva pool tucked away from the main area. This serene setting is the perfect place to read a book, enjoy a drink, or just take in the desert scenery. If you're searching for ultimate relaxation, stop by the Tamaya Mist Spa and Salon, which offers treatments inspired by the ancient healing traditions of the Pueblo people. The spa features plenty of lockers and showers, along with a steam room, sauna, hot tub, and relaxation room. I didn't get any treatments this time, but I spent some time enjoying the facilities and had a really relaxing experience. Now let's take a quick tour of the gym here. So they have several treadmills. Here's an elliptical machine. There's a punching bag, some medicine balls, water dispenser over here with some towels here. In this fridge, so some cold towels. And let's see what else they have here. So they have some kettlebells over there, dumbbells with a couple of benches, a cable machine, and they have several exercise machines here too. And of course, they have your stationary bikes. And they do have one Peloton bike here. So if you like Peloton, you're covered. And a couple more elliptical machines here. So very small gym, but very functional. What truly sets the Hyatt Regency Tamaya apart are its complimentary experiences designed to keep guests busy and engaged during their stay. You can join guided nature walks, learn about the history and culture of the Tamayame people at the Cultural Learning Center, enjoy the delicious Pueblo oven bread buffet, or even make s'mores under the stars in the evening. Other activities include tennis, basketball, horseshoes, cornhole, pickleball, and bikes, which are available for 30-minute use. We took a ride exploring some of the scenic pathways surrounding the resort, which was a quick and easy way to see the property. Our favorite activity, though, was horseback riding. It's $90 for a 90-minute ride, which is honestly a great value for the experience you get. The trails take you through peaceful desert landscapes with beautiful unobstructed views of the Sandia Mountains. Honestly, we had an amazing time and highly recommend adding this to your itinerary when visiting the resort. It's one of the most memorable and authentic ways to experience the land and the culture here. If you're a golf lover, you'll definitely want to check out the Twin Warriors Golf Club, located right here on the resort grounds. This championship 18-hole course is one of the most scenic in New Mexico, surrounded by sandstone bluffs, desert terrain, and panoramic mountain views. Snacks and drinks can be purchased at Atouche Bar and Grill, located right at the golf course. Hyatt Regency Tamaya also features an impressive collection of event spaces, making it a popular destination for weddings, conferences, and retreats. Tamaya offers more than 25,000 square feet of indoor meeting space, along with expansive outdoor venues that highlight the natural beauty of the Pueblo lands. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Hyatt Regency Tamaya. The secluded setting of the resort makes it truly peaceful, and the variety of dining options ensures there's something for everyone. The view from our room was absolutely gorgeous, and the activities offered kept us busy and entertained throughout our stay. Don't miss the relaxing spa, which is the perfect way to unwind after a busy day exploring the resort grounds. We highly recommend this resort for families or anyone looking for a getaway that truly has it all, from culture and adventure to relaxation and stunning scenery. So, what do you think of the Hyatt Regency Tamaya Resort and Spa? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next travel adventure.